Hello friends, let's solve this question together. The question reads, in a simple pendulum experiment for determination of acceleration due to gravity, g, time taken for 20 oscillations is measured by using a watch of 1 second least count. The mean value of time taken comes out to be 30 seconds, and the length of the pendulum is measured by a meter scale of least count 1 millimeter, and the value obtained is 55.0 cm. The percentage error in determination of G is, so let's bring out our data first. Now the time or the mean value is 30 seconds, and that is the period. So we said T is equal to 30 over 20, because period is the time taken to complete the 20 oscillation. Okay, so you can see the number of oscillation is 20 and the time there is 30. So for us to obtain the period, we must divide it by 20. Okay, so this is time, so the unit is seconds. So change in this time is given as 1. So we said change in period is given as 1 over 20. So we divide it by 20 because the number of the oscillation is 20 there. Okay, so the unit is still seconds. All right, so from there we have we continue. They said the length of the pendulum is measured by a meter scale of least count this. So it means change in length is equal to 1 millimeter. Now you divide 1 by 10 to take it, in order to take it to centimeters. So it will be 0.1 cm. Okay, so if that is true, the length on its own, L, is equal to the length is 55.0 centimeter. Here is it. So the question is the percentage error in determination of G. So we can set the error in G. The error in G is equal to G or change in G all over G is equal to prime called the formula. All right, so it will change in L all over L plus 2 into change in T all over T, and that is the mathematical relation. Right, so we bring down our equality sign. You know that this is the error in G. So the change in L is 0.1. So we have 0.1 all over, the L is 55.0, and we have our plus 2 into. So the change in T is 1 over 20. So we have 1 over 20 all over the change in, okay, the T. Now we need T, and the T is 30 over, that is 30 over 20. Now the moment you have 1, 2, 3, 4, something will happen here. Let's close the bracket first. So the whole of this will turn into something like this. Okay, it's going to become this is going to become it will become 20 multiplied by 1 all over 30 multiplied by 20. Okay, that is exact what we're going to obtain inside this very bracket. So you can see 20 will cancel out 20. So what we're going to be left with there is just 1 all over, we'll be left with 1 all over 30. Okay, so if that is true, we will just going to have this, the whole of this bracket will just become 0.1 divide 55. We'll be having 0.0018 plus. Now this is 2 into 1 over 30 close bracket, because the whole of this is same thing as 1 over 30. Okay, so 2 here 1, 2 here is 15. So we will be having coming over here, we will be having 0.0018 plus 1 over 15, because we have reduced it from this tip. Now 1 divide 15, it will just be, this is equal to 0.0018 plus 0.067. All right. So if you sum these together, you're going to have the error is 0.0688. So this is the error. Okay. But our question is we had to determine the percentage error in the G. So the percentage error in the G, you can say percentage error in G is just this answer multiplied by 100. So it's 0.0688 multiplied by 100. Okay. So when you multiply it by 100, what you're going to have is just 6.88%. So this is the solution of this very particular problem. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.